Flapjack and Mead, welcome back to the channel. And today we're at the little green man in Norton Disney. Just come for a mooch down, found some trikes here, look. Here comes Richard Shelton. Ah, that's the green man there, look. The boozer. A little Barry Sheen bike there, look. Now like that. There we go. Little one here, look. How little cars used to be. What's that about? Look how little cars used to be. I said, look how little cars used to be. The two reprobates here, look. The dual karting rider.
He's smarting himself up a bit.
I know, he's had to have a bit of a shave.
He's got a state on you. He's out of prison on there.
Look at him. Just look at him.
I know.
What's this for? There's another Can Am. Somebody else has bought one.
Hey, see, come to the front. Come to the front, Can Am.
Looks like a bathroom.
You can do a bit of film.
A few words for the channel, gentlemen.
Yeah, that's a good word for the channel. I'm trying to work out how to do this.
This is trike parking only. It's another shed at the end there, look. Somebody else has bought one.
Yeah, I didn't pull it straight.
Some nice stuff here. And just... This is nice. Fox Eye blade from back in the day. Urban Street Tiger. Very nice indeed. And a Jigsaw Thou. In proper colours. That's nice as well. Lovely pair of bikes. So what do we think, Tosser? So you're chopping KTM in anytime soon? Very good. Suits you, sir.
God.
You need some here. Is it automatic then?
Yeah, it's got light PS plus and minus left.
It's comfy like he says. You don't pull on it? No.
I lift back beds up.
Let's have a sit then.
It's comfy in.
Don't like dog shit.
£5 a ride if you want to go, sir.
Yeah, we pay it you.
Sports, I don't know.
Comfy seat, isn't it?
That's comfy seat, but what about the rest of this? Do you know?
It's a nice colour.
Handlebars seem a bit close to
They're too high up. I just told him that. It's handlebars are too high up. You want to go lower. He's paid for risers.
Oh, he's going to say has he got risers on?
Yeah, but I think they need to be lower down.
Just the handlebars, don't I?
Yeah.
Yeah, but he's paid for risers, and I think they need to be lower.
Yeah.
Put my
Bit more
honest
leverage.
Is it power
opinion.
steering on it?
Yeah.
Is it?
I didn't realise you were there for all day. I didn't realise you were there.
Chain or belt drive?
Bring all this stuff when you
Shaft on it. Oh, but no, it's belt.
No,
Look,
there's a
belt.
belt.
There's belt drive, isn't it?
Nice thing, isn't it?
Devil
It
worshipping
wants
club.
to be, you know.
How much have they got?
Oh, 35.
Hello?
He paid 35 for it. Yeah.
Well,
Nasty
take
mess
my
on
leg
this
in.
mud, guys.
Because he's got a bad ear. He can't make it.
Nasty mess on this mud, guys.
Yeah, you feel out sticking in your back.
Well, some sausage. I am, yeah.
I didn't go in yet, Gren.
It's a screwdriver, it's fucking up.
Oh, right, okay. Yeah.
It is comfy.
It's right comfy, see. Is it, sit on the front one. It's right comfy.
No, I had a go on it. Well, I sit on it at a cafe.
Mm.
It's nice. I like the colour.
It's a lovely colour.
Yeah.
The wheels are nice, I know.
You want to bring the one chair? With nice cars.
See what cars we've got. Oh, there's Yankee one here. We got glamping cones. What glamping pods look? Oh yeah, that's nice. Nice, isn't it? Yellow peril. Hey. Is it a Janetta? Gilburn. It's a Gilburn. This what? It says Gilburn on it. Not heard of that. Thought it was Janetta. Look at Mustang here, that's nice.
It is nice.
Hmm.
Did you see that? Did you watch that Bangers and Cash?
Sometimes I haven't watched
They
it
had
for a
a
while.
CR7, the yellow one, that was in
That's
that.
what Steve's got, innit?
Yeah, but they had a yellow one that was in that Detectorist. Do you know that series with Toby
Yeah.
and Mackenzie Crook?
Hmm.
And all the cast had signed it because it was Toby Thingy's car in the series.
Right.
Sold for 32 fucking grand.
Jesus. Did they see him who is into cars? He's bought that M3 Touring and he went to factory units it had been
Oh,
built.
Joe Achilles.
Yeah, and they signed it for him. That's a rate nice. He's gone for silver wheels, it looks rate banger. That's nice,
That's
I
nice,
know.
like the new Mustang, isn't it? Oh, it's a Challenger, sorry.
It's to get it cleaned.
That's the thing, that is an awful monster, isn't it? 392.
It's like Dukes of Hazzard. Where's Daisy Duke? Where's Daisy Duke when you want her?
Afternoon all.
Hey, hey.
I'm a warm-up back from there.
You know, it says fuel on bike.
Why are those?
6.4 litres. 6.4. Jesus.
Who will bless my soul? What's wrong with me? I met you like a man on a fuzzy tree. Who do you think when you ask like a man love? I'm all shook up. Ooh, yeah, yeah. Who will heal the sheep you never need to wait? Can't see you stand on the 2 feet.
I must admit, Yankee cars, they don't do hope for me.
Yeah.
Size of this one.
Brother-in-law's got a kick
Kit one.
no, call it, on Jack.
Right. One of my customers has
Fire.
One of my customers got them, they do them all up. He's got a couple like vans that have been all like hot rodded out and that.
Yeah.
But they don't do hope. We left his keys in. Nice son, eh?
Well, they brought out Cortina.
Oh,
Mark
that,
one not Cortina.
that Escort, yeah.
Mark 1 Escort.
300 grand.
300 grand, yeah.
It ain't worth that.
Well, it's not, no, but they're selling like fucking hotcakes, aren't they?
What's that? That's cool. Sunbeam.
But I don't feel my feet so it scares me to death.
Sunbeam. Right here. That's the Mark 1 Cortina here.
That's what's reminding me looking at that.
How small they were when you think about it. They were a big car, weren't they, back then, but they're tiny, aren't they?
We said family of 5 used to go away on holiday in it.
Jesus.
No red dress, no football.
Oh, it's got a sunroof and all.
But I'm with the girl that I love best. My heart beats so it scares me. My soul, what you like that? Make a fool like the whole ghetto's hard. I'm proud of
The Spyder Guzzy. The Spyder Guzzy. Get the flywheel on that. Yeah, alright. It's a lovely thing, that.
There they are, these lads. These lads know how to do it. There's a Triumph here, anybody want the Triumph? It's a Speed 400, I know that. But for me,
You did think about it.
oh,
I think he's got a tight cable on it when we start turning it.
Said Himalayan something.
Betty.
he says they were barrel dogs.
I didn't.
You said they were St Berners.
He said Himalayan. I've got the wrong bloody. Alright, I've got the wrong number.
Are they like Mr. and Mrs?
No, not related.
No?
Different breeders.
Oh. He's got his eye on your beer.
Oh, he'll drink anything, eat anything. What's on
A bit like me.
I don't want to know.
That is Bill.
We had Huskies before, so it's similar. But
You have to insure them quite a lot.
yeah.
They're quieter than Huskies, aren't they? Yeah.
Huskies sing.
Little bit
Who's
more
coming out
body.
now then?
Yeah, body. That's have to walk them so far. Yeah.
He's 2.5.
Look at the size of his feet. He's like me, he got size 13 pads.
2 kilo is.
Eh? Cool.
Quite safe. Slow Land Rover down a bit.
Yeah. Ah, so you got ump on rider.
Of course. Long mountain
His band's in full swing now. Full swing, Bruce, the band.
Swing. Swing band.
Yeah, full swing. Did you get the old Rolls Royce?